Okay, so let's design the Telegram logo. First thing, grab a polygon or star shape and let's just shrink it down to a triangle. Okay, this is fine. And the next thing we'll do is we'll copy this triangle and paste it in front, like this. After this, we are going to make sure the one in front is selected and we will divide the width by 1.618 three times. Alright, so this is perfect. The next thing we'll do is also divide the height by 1.618. And we'll drag it down all the way for the bottoms to be on the same level. Right after this, we'll grab the shape builder tool and we'll just remove the inner triangle. So we have this kite-like shape. Now we'll drag on the anchor points for all the anchor points together to have those curvy edge, those rounded edges, and we'll fine-tune the very middle one. We'll need to delete this too. Yep. Just remove them, not delete. You click on delete to totally destroy the image. So you use the remove anchor points. And you scale, you highlight this ones, you scale down to become closer and you drag them up. We kind of need a guide for this thing, I think. Yes. So I'll grab a guide and bring it down here. So the guide is to make it, the bottom of those two has to come with the top of the first two, or rather the outer two. So zooming in and we'll take these two, yep, 1 2 3 4, and pull it right down like this. So it has to be at the same level with the top part of those rounded edges. So remove the guide now. And as you can see, we almost have the telegram shape. So all you do is rotate by almost 50 degrees or so and just grab a circle and scale, give it the blue colors of telegram, and you just drag it behind the layers of the airplane. So now we'll just do the finishing touches, which is simply just rescaling the circle, and it's simple. So voila, you have the Telegram logo. Subscribe and like for more.